Welcome to solverfy.
Okay, so for 30a here, we are going to use one of the idempotent laws. And this is one of the laws regarding some of our logic operators that states any element, if you take it with the OR operation with itself, you will get that same element. So P or P is equal to P. Okay, so when we go to A, which is giving us a 0, 1 matrix, let A be represented where each element is going to be Aij, right? So the ith row and jth column. So if we take the matrix A or A, now remember, if you take this operation, we're doing it component-wise, right? So we would be taking the ijth element of the first one. We'll take that with the ijth element of the second one. So we're saying for each element of A, we're Aij or Aij. Okay, and then that's going to be equivalent, right, to sort of pulling it out of the bracket and just saying the elements themselves. Okay, but by the idempotent law, this is simply equal to the element itself, whatever that is. If it's a 0, then 0 or 0 is going to leave you 0. If it's 1, it's going to be a 1, or 1 will leave us with a 1. And this is identically equal to A then. Okay, now if one moves to B, well, there's another idempotent law, and this one states that P and P for any element P is identically equal to P, right? So by basically the same argument, we can show that we get the same result, right? So instead of a or symbol in all these places, we're just going to replace it with the and. Okay, so if we take A and A, then each component, they are done the same way by taking them component-wise from each matrix. And the result of taking an element and itself, so you say 1 and 1 or 0 and 0, you're just going to get whatever you started with, either 0 or 1, which brings us back to A.